If the bunnies aren't crazy, it's Echinacea and Black-Eyed Susans. If they are crazy, then skip those and go with like anise hyssop, asters, okay, obedient plant, garlic. I have your wild garlic thing or garlic mustard. What was I gonna say? Wait, shoot. The asters and the garden phlox.
Okay.
Bee balm, okay, and Joe Pye, which is tall. You mix it up. Okay, you're getting rid of the buckthorn, obviously. You need some good soil in here, some compost, and then the mulch, and then whenever you get to planting some of these things, you can do that. I'd go small stuff in the front. You can do coreopsis also. And so, what I would say is have repeating stuff. Tall things in the back, small things in the front. You could try some grasses like switchgrass. You could try blue fescue. And those are both native. Like all of this stuff is native that I'm talking about. Move the hostas out. See if you want to keep them maybe as a salad bar for the bunnies or just give them away. And you could try a couple of dwarf Fothergillis, actually.
Okay.
Because those are nice. They're in bloom now. So spring, so that's good.
Okay.
Some of those things that I gave you are midsummer, so you wouldn't see much of them. But
It's okay.